Indira Farms, Mollem, a perfect Goan getaway. Indira Farms is a beautifully restored Goan house that exudes the warmth and heritage of traditional Goan living. The property features 3 spacious and well-furnished queen rooms, perfect for a comfortable family stay. Located in Mollem, the property is surrounded by lush greenery, making it an ideal spot for those seeking peace and a connection to nature. One of the highlights of our stay was the kitchen with a personal cook. You simply tell them what you'd like, and they whip up delicious Goan meals just for you. The food was fresh, authentic, and full of flavor. Adding to the charm, the property is home to a serene river, making it a perfect spot for picnics and relaxation. The natural water setting is ideal for unwinding, and it adds an adventurous touch to your stay. Subscribe to @Explore Goa now for more such amazing experiences in Goa.